Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start meditation on the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the calendar button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on this start button in the meditation conscious breathing section. As you can see, deep breathing exercises positively influence your health. They improve memory, strengthen immunity, reduce stress and relieve period pain. So click on the start button and tap to start to the bottom of the screen. As you can see, the instruction says you should focus on your breathing. As you can see, you should breathe in, then breathe out. So follow these instructions and you can see the timer as well at the top of the screen. So you should do the exercises written on the screen. So basically that's it for this video, guys. If you are done, tap on the X button at the top to leave or exit the meditation. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.